College student, hospital. Why it is not doctor? Maybe June B. Good. So college student means hospital, definitely the patient, not the doctor. Why? Because so for college is primary purpose for two members. Number one is student, number two is teacher or faculty. Okay. Coming to hospital, hospital is a primary place for two members. Okay. Number one is patient, another one is doctor. Okay, don't say that nurse. Okay, patient and doctor. What we have to observe is in college, the student will take the service, the teacher will provide the service. Am I right or wrong? In hospital, this is service receiver. We have to go with the receiver. In hospital, who will receive the service and who will do the service? Patient will receive the service, right? So, happily for hospital, the answer will be patient in this case. Okay? So, funnily, if you want to say, in college, student will pay the money, in hospital, patient will pay the money. No. In school, in college, teacher will receive the money, in hospital, doctor will receive the money. Yes or no? In college, okay, so the student will be commanded by the teacher, in hospital, the patient will be commanded by the doctor, right or wrong? So good. Those all are funny. Come on. This is another way of asking the questions. Earlier, I have given one set, followed by I will keep is as. In the another set, I will give any one and I will ask other, right or wrong? This time not that, not that. Okay, what you have to do is, okay, the second one completely you have to identify. Whatever is the relation between glove and hand, the same you have to apply where it is applicable. What's the relation between glove and hand? My hand I will keep in a glove. Like that my foot I will keep in a socks. It's just foot, not foot. Be careful. Okay. So what's the answer? Socks and foot or feet. So it is C. The other way of asking analogy questions are this is. In a certain way, if 42 is related to 6, then in the same way 83 is related to. Means 42 is related to 6. Okay. In the same way means is as 83 is related to. Am I right? Okay. Now tell me what's the answer? 11. Good. Good. 11 is the answer. Why? Because 42 are sum of digits 4 plus 2 is 6. 83 are 8 plus 3 is how much? 11. So answer is B. Okay. Or else it is by 7. You can try it is by 7 possible or not. If it is possible, okay, that is also. But that is not possible because you will get decimals. Okay. So answer is 11 only. Clear? Good. In a certain way, 31 is related to 35. Then in the same way, 23 is related to. Why? Good. So 31 is related to 35. That means that for 31, I am adding the sum of digits. Okay. In the same way, 23 is related to 23. I have to add same digits, 2 plus 3. So it will be 28. So which option is the answer? C is the answer. Clear? Go for the next beautiful one. In a certain way, if centimeter is related to meter, then in the same way, kilogram is related to. Redo. No. Quintal. What's the relation between centimeter and meter? 100 centimeters is nothing but a meter. Am I right or wrong? So, kilogram also you have to take 100 kilograms. 100 kilograms are ton or quintal? So, what's the answer? Quintal. Clear? Ton means 1000. Clear for you? PMU is related to SRB. Then, in the same way, LDK is related to. Come on fast. Good. So PMU is related to SRB. P plus 3 is S. M plus 5 is R. U plus 7 is B. U is 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 means 28 minus 26 is 2. 2 means B. The same you have to apply for LDK. Plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. L plus 3 is O. D plus 5 is I. Okay. And K plus 7 is R. So answer is OIR. Good. $684 is to $342. $392 is to question mark. Easiest of all. 196. Each number is divided by 2. 684 by 2 is 342. So the same 392 by 2. 392 by 2 means how much it is? 196. So which option is the answer? B is the answer. Clear? Nine is to 86 is as 19 is to question mark. Nine is to 86 is as 19 is to question mark. Good logic. Good. It is 9. 9 square plus 5. It is 19 means 19 square plus 5. 361 plus 5 is 366. Which option is the answer? C. Let's go for the next beautiful one. 16 is to 128 is as 46 is to question mark. Good. 1058. So logic. Right, 16, it is 16 square by 2. 16 square is 256, by 2 is 128. Now, it is 46 means 46 square by 2. Here you will face one problem. What is the value of 46 square? So, if you want to go in the easiest manner, go with 46 into 46 by 2. 2 ones, 2 23s. I will even feel this one as 2 into 23. Can I? 23 into 23 means 23 square, 529 into 2. So, 500 2s are 1000, 29 2s are 58. So, answer is 1058. B. Even the calculation you should do in the best way. But if you are good at 23 square only. Let's go for the next one. Three is to 18 is as 4 is to question mark. Good. Try in a different way. Try in a different way also. Yeah, it's okay. 32 is okay, hero. I'm asking try in a different way and give the another possible answer. 48 also correct. 24. Why? But it is not there now. Okay. So 3 into 6 means 4 into 6, 24 is right answer, but that is not there. Okay, then I can think that this is 3. This is 3 square into 2. This is 4. 4 square into 2 if you take, it will be 32. Okay, unfortunately, 3's previous number you multiplied, right? If I take 4 square into 4's previous number is 3, if I take, it will be 48. Of course, that is also correct and that is also there in the options. Okay? That is also correct. Or else, the same we can explain in a different way, that is 3. It is 3 cube minus 3 square. it is 4, 4 cube minus 4 square. The very unfortunate thing is these two are same. Take 4 square common, you will get 4 minus 1, that is previous number of it. Okay, so these two logics looks different but same only. Okay, good. Clear for you? Right, ANQF is to CPSH is as RLNP is to question mark. I saw. You said C, I said I saw. What's the answer? TNPR. Let us check. ANQF, A plus 2 is C, N plus 2 is P, Q plus 2 is S, F plus 2 is H. Simply plus 2. The same you have to apply. R plus 2 is T. Okay, with T we have two options. L plus 2 is N. With Tn we have only one option, so that is the answer. Okay. Same question, right? Good, come on. You are giving very fast. Nice. So the logic we have to follow is conviction. If you observe, the viction he has written, that means first three he has removed. These first three reversed and written at the back. The same if I use, so it will become influence. So luence I have to write, with L we have only one that, and INF reverses FNI. So answer is D. Clear? Good. So the next beautiful one. DFHI XWVV SORY is to question mark. Not getting the logic? Look at the board. So if you observe D's opposite pair is, it's close to that if you observe. So plus 1. F opposite is just plus 2. H opposite is plus 3 is V. Am I right? I opposite is R. Plus 4 is V. 18 plus 4 is 22 means V. Opposite pair plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So S, first write opposite pairs. S means H, O means R, I, Y means B. Now we have to go with plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. H plus 1 is I. So this is ruled out. Next one, L plus 2 is N. So answer is decided. So answer is INLF. Okay. Well, let's go for the last question in it. DJPV RPXV DBJH is as CHMR is to question mark. What we have to observe is 4 alphabets suddenly became 8 alphabets if you observe. Means each one is converted into 2 alphabets. So I said that this is a nearby what do we say, coding decoding, right? So we will think like coding decoding. So as usual I'll think of same alphabets or not, no. So it is not rearrangement. I'll think of addition subtraction. Okay. So D if I take, RP doesn't have any relation with it. So next what I will think is I will go with rearrangement with addition subtraction, means reverse plus etc, right? So if I place D here, for D, J and H are not close. Right or wrong? So that is the reason I can say that it is not even rearrangement. Then I will think of what we say opposite pairs, similar pairs, etc. Simplest ones are opposite pairs. D's opposite pair is W. W is not related to even this one or this one. Am I right or wrong? So I'm unable to take that. This is even opposite pair. I will think of similar pair. D means 4, plus 13 means 17. 17 means Q. It is related to these two if you observe. Am I right or wrong? So Q's next alphabet and previous alphabet. Means a similar pair, next alphabet, previous alphabet. Okay. So J means 10, plus 13 means 23. 23 means W. Next alphabet, previous alphabet. The condition is satisfied. So I am feeling that is the correct one. Check the remaining. P is 16, second half means minus 13, it is 3. 3 means C. Next alphabet, previous alphabet. V is 22, second half minus 13, it will be 9. 9 means I. Next alphabet, previous alphabet. Happy. Means first we have to calculate similar pair, next alphabet and previous alphabet, right or wrong? Okay. So for C, yeah, the next alphabet is, sorry, it's a C is 3 means plus 13 is P. P is next and previous, next is Q. Previous is O. With QO the answer will be. This is ruled out, this is ruled out, these two. Next one, if you take H, H means 8 plus 13 means 21, 21 means U. Next and previous means V and T, VT. Okay. So, first option is the answer. Okay, this is the way that we have to do it. Am I clear? Good. This is about analogy. Of course, if I explain any number of questions, you will get infinite number of logics, right? I am giving you some even questions for practice also. Okay, altogether if you observe, we have nearly 70 or 70 questions nearly. I explained only 40 minutes, the remaining 30 is for your practice. If you practice, if you get any doubt, you are free to ask me.